तो साथियों आज क्लास 5 वाले बच्चे अपने इंग्लिश बुक को रीड करेंगे क्योंकि इनको काम दिया गया था इंग्लिश बुक रीड करके आना है और सुनाना है। तो आप रीड करके आए हैं?
यस सर।
सुनाइए।
Akbar was a great emperor. He was called the Great Mughal or Mughal-e-Azam. He ruled from 1542 to 1605. He was the son of Humayun. Akbar was very shrewd. He showed signs of greatness in cute early age. In order to promote brotherhood between Hindu and Muslim, he married to a Hindu Rajput princess named Jodhabai. His son Prince Salim became famous by the name of Impepe Jahangir.
दीजिए आप। चलिए अब आर्यन बाबू आइए। बहुत बढ़िया। आप पढ़ के आए हैं?
यस सर।
तो जहाँ तक ये पढ़े हैं यहाँ तक पढ़े हैं। अब यहाँ के बाद आप पढ़िए।
Akbar was a just ruler. He used to move around his kingdom. He disguised form as an ordinary man. He looked at the misery of his people. Under his rule, India became a strong and prosperous land. In order to rule wisely and has many wise men in his court. Of thus his 9 chief wazirs were called Naratan or the 9 jewels in his court. Among them were Tansen, the famous musician, Birbal, famous for his wisdom, witty jokes, and Mullah Dupiaja, the rival of Birbal in wit. Abul Fazl, the minister of Akbar, wrote the story of Akbar region called Akbarnama. He also translated the Ramayana into Persian language.
चलिए आप रहने दीजिए। अब आ जाइए, आप आइए 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 जाइए। आप पढ़ के आए?
यस सर।
चलिए ठीक है, यहाँ से आप पढ़िए। यहाँ तक वो पढ़ दिए हैं, यहाँ से आप पढ़िए।
Akbar had a great regard for a renowned Fakir Sheikh Salim Chishti. He therefore built the beautiful city of Fatehpur Sikri, a few miles away from Agra. Akbar was fair to everyone. He behaved in the same way to everyone, Hindu and Muslim, rich and poor, did many good things for a people. Adult, he could not read or write. He loved book. He tried to extract the essence of all the religion. He realized the different way of all religion take a people the to Almighty the same God. He therefore started his own new religion, the Ilahi. Akbar was
दीने इलाही।
Akbar was a famous emperor. He brought different kind of people together. He made their lives happier. He left behind him a vast empire which a united and strong.
खत्म हो गया?
यस सर।
चलिए, यानी पढ़ के आए थे।
यस सर।
कहीं कहीं आप लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा छोटा क्या कर रहे हैं, मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, उसको सुधारने की जरूरत है। ठीक है, तो फिर मैं एक बार दोबारा जब पढ़ाऊंगा तो आप लोगों का ये सुधार करवा दूंगा। तो साथियों आप लोग बताइएगा कि बच्चों का प्रयास कैसा रहा। थोड़ा बहुत छोटा छोटा मिस्टेक हो रहा है इन लोगों से, उसको मैं सुधरवाने का प्रयास करूंगा। आप लोग कमेंट के माध्यम से बताइएगा कि आज का वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसा लगा।